How to watch TikTok on LG Smart TV. Hey everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to watch TikTok on your LG Smart TV easily. Step 1. Turn on your LG Smart TV. Press the power button on your remote and make sure your TV is connected to the internet. Step 2. Open the LG Content Store. Press the home button on your remote. Navigate to the LG Content Store icon and open it. Step 3. Search for TikTok. Use the search bar at the top. Type TikTok and press enter. Step 4. Install the TikTok app. Select the TikTok app from the results. Click install and wait for the app to download. Step 5. Open TikTok and log in. After installation, open the TikTok app from your home screen. Log in with your TikTok account or browse videos without logging in. Alternative method. Use screen mirroring. If TikTok isn't available in the LG Content Store, you can mirror your phone. On your phone, open TikTok. Use screen mirroring or Smart Share to connect your phone to your LG TV wirelessly. Thanks for watching. If this helped, please like and subscribe for more LG Smart TV tips.